Did you know that Tecno has just released a phone which looks like the iPhone 16? Well, it's the all-new Tecno Pop 10, and for a price of 105,000 naira, you are getting 120Hz IPS display, a new chipset, and much more amazing features which I didn't even expect to see at its price point. So should you buy it? Well, let's find out. Let's start off with what you get in the box. Inside you get the stunning Tecno Pop 10 smartphone itself, and after that is the silicone case. I love this! An MTN voucher, a USB Type-C cable, and finally, a fast charger. And if you're enjoying this video, then kindly smash that subscribe button for more videos just like this one. Thank you very much. Now let's talk about the design and build quality. Now look at this design and tell me what you think. In my opinion, I don't think I've ever seen such a well-designed budget phone. It looks exactly like the iPhone 16, which isn't really innovative, but it's a very thoughtful design, to be honest. And the build quality is much better. The phone is a plastic finish, but aesthetic wise it doesn't look like a lesser premium material than the highest end phones which are called flagships. You get these flat fronts, rear and sides which are quite stabby in the hand, but they feel really good. The rear is matte, which is invisible to fingerprints. But that's not even the best bit. This phone apparently supports IP64 water resistance, which means you can take it for a swim and it will be just fine. Tecno, this is 100,000 naira. How did you do it?
How do you do that?
Now, before we move on to display, let's talk about the external features. The Tecno Pop 10 comes with a side-mounted fingerprint scanner, which is very good. It's fast and also reliable. It comes with an IR blaster, which turns it into a TV remote and can control your household appliances. And it also has a dual speaker setup. There's no stereo speakers, but if you're expecting stereo speakers at this price, then you're expecting too much. What about the display? How good is it? Well, the Tecno Pop 10 comes with a 6.67-inch 720p IPS panel with a 120Hz refresh rate. This screen is still not on the high end like those on the Infinix Hot 50 Pro Plus or Itel S25 Ultra, but it's still as good as displays get at this price. Whenever you're going to be watching your favorite shows and content, the colors are very impressive with just a little sprinkling of saturation to make it more vivid and contrasty. A 120Hz refresh rate means super smooth navigating of the UI and fast response. But the one thing which I didn't expect to see on this screen is the massive improvements to the bezels. They are still there, but are knitted up in such a way that it looks very delightful. I'm really happy that you are getting such a good display like this at this price because it's a clear improvement from last year's. So we can see that with this phone, Tecno brought a lot of improvements. The design, the build, the display. They are all improvements. But what about the performance? The Tecno Pop 10 is powered by the Unisoc T7250, and this is the same chip which powered the Redmi A5, so it's not new to me. But it's a very high-end budget chipset. So when you use the Pop 10, you should expect a smooth day-to-day user experience. Apps can run pretty good and you should have a good multitasking experience as well. Note that the Tecno Pop 10 comes in two variants. One comes with 4GB of storage and 3GB of RAM, and it's the one which costs 105,000. The other comes with 128GB of storage and 6GB of RAM, and that variant costs 117k. I don't need to tell you, but if you want better performance, go for the 128GB variant. That leads us to the software. The Tecno Pop 10 runs on iOS slapped on Android 15, and it's basically the same deal with last year. Same layout, same minimal bloatware, etc. But this phone is the first sub $100 smartphone to come with Tecno AI.
Wow.
Yes, I'm excited, and that means that it will come with some of those AI features which came to the Camon 40 series. Some, not all of them. The only downside about this software is the lack of updates, but it's expected at this price. Moving on to the battery experience, Tecno Pop 10 is powered by a 5000 mAh cell which should last about a day for the average user, and when it comes to charging, we're getting 15W fast charging, which is cool. Now, what about these iPhone cameras? It's actually a 30MP camera setup which takes really good photos as long as it's in good lighting condition. The video on the rear goes up to 1080p, which is okay. The front also has an 8MP selfie camera which shoots in 1080p as well. So, should you buy the Tecno Pop 10? I would say that this is the best sub $100 smartphone I've seen so far in 2025. It has crazy features like the waterproof rating and, most importantly, the Tecno AI features, which I didn't even expect to see at this price. So I 100% recommend it. Now, did you know that there's another crazy value smartphone under 100,000 called the Redmi A5? To check it out, click the card on the screen and I'll tell you all about it.